Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you your options about notifications vibration on your Galaxy A55 5G. Let's do this. We are on the main screen and from here we have to go to the settings. Here we have to choose sounds and vibration and then go to notification vibration. Here you can change intensity of your notification vibration. You can make it less or a little bit more. Also, you can turn it off at all. Here you can change the type of your notification vibration. Now it's spinning, but it can be a little bit different. So you can choose the one that you like the most. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful, and if you want to know more about your Galaxy A55 5G, let's see the series about this phone on our channel, and let's see each other in the one from here. Bye!